Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In the last session, we spoke about hash table. In this session, we are going to talk about stack. Stack is a special type of collection which stores data or elements in LIFO manner. LIFO here means last in and first out manner. So the element to be added last will be the first element to be retrieved from the stack. Okay, so in this script, we have already declared a stack, and the name of the stack is my place. We have initialized the stack using a new keyword. Inside the start function for code 1, we are adding values to the stack using a push method. So the push method is basically used to add values to the stack. So we are adding Danny here, then we are adding Sam here, and lastly we are adding Andy here. So Andy is the last element or the last value to be added here. In code 2, we are printing all the values inside a stack using a for each loop. We have already declared a for each loop for that, and inside the for each loop, we are using debug.log function to print all the values inside a stack. So this for each loop basically will print Andy first, because stack works in a LIFO manner, last in and first out. Andy is the last element added, so it will print Andy first, then it will print Sam, and lastly it will print Danny here. In code 3, we are retrieving and printing the last value added to a stack using peek method. Peek method returns the last element inside the stack but does not remove the element. It does not remove the value, so it will just retrieve the value here. Okay, now in code 4, we are using a pop method which will return the last value added to the stack, but it will also remove the last value added to the stack. Okay, so in code 5, we are printing all the values in a stack after using the pop method. Now, using a pop method in code 4, we have removed here value Andy from the stack. So once we run this for each loop, we are going to print Danny and Sam here in the Unity console, since Andy has been retrieved and removed from the stack in the code 4. Now let's get into the Unity editor and let's see the output for this code. So here it is. Here is the output printing all the values in a stack. So we are printing Andy, Sam, and Danny. As I stated earlier, okay, stack works in a LIFO manner. So Andy was the last element to be added first. So it will be the first element to be retrieved. So we have retrieved Andy here first. Then we are printing Sam, and lastly we are printing Danny here. Okay, retrieve and print the last value added to a stack using peek method. So again here we are retrieving last element added to the stack, last value added to the stack, which is Andy, and we are printing it. Now lastly we are printing all the values in a stack after using the pop method. So we used a pop method and we removed the last element, retrieved and removed the last element, and we printed all the remaining values inside a stack. So that's it, guys. That's it for the session. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.